Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Antoniettetee here, and today on Cook with Antoniettetee, we are making it simple with a classic scrambled egg with tomatoes and onion. This is one of my go-to breakfast ideas because it's fast, tasty and filling, especially if you are pairing it with bread, ugali or even avocado on the side. So let's get started. For the ingredients, you'll need onion, 2 tomatoes, 2 to 3 eggs depending on how many you're cooking for, salt and any spices that you love, and oil to fry. For the first step, you're going to fry the onion. As the onions are cooking, grate your tomato, and this gives you a nice smooth texture without the tomato skins. Once the onions are ready, pour in your grated tomatoes and stir. Let this simmer on low heat for a few minutes until the tomatoes cook down and the mixture thickens. Now it's time to add your spices. I usually go with a pinch of salt and a little curry powder or black pepper, but you can use whatever you like, and then stir everything together and let the flavors blend. In a separate bowl, crack your eggs and beat them well until the yolks and white are fully combined. Once your tomato mixture is well cooked and fragrant, pour in the eggs. Stir gently as they cook, making sure they don't stick to the pan. And you need to keep stirring until the eggs are fully cooked but still soft and fluffy. Just like that, your scrambled eggs with tomatoes and onions are ready. So simple yet delicious. This is perfect for breakfast, brunch or even a light lunch. Let me know in the comments how you like to cook your eggs. And if you try this recipe, please tag me. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you don't miss out to more easy home recipes. See you in the next one.